Welcome to the ABC Adventure Kids. Today, we are on a beautiful mission to find the magical letters from A to E. Are you ready to join them?
Let's go, Lily! We're going to find all the letters.
Mio! Let's use our clever cat and monkey brains to solve the clues.
Look, Max and Lily. It's the letter A. But can you find the magical word that starts with an A?
Yeah! Apples! A is for apples. I love apples.
Great job, Max. Kids, can you say A is for apple with us? Say A for apple. Again.
A
for apple. A for apple.
That's awesome, kids. You're doing so well. Keep it up.
Wow, what a beautiful field. Look, there's the letter B. Can you guess a word that starts with B?
Butterflies. B is for butterflies. Look at all their pretty wings.
Come back, little bee butterflies. Kids, say B for butterflies. Can you do it with me?
B for butterflies. B for butterflies. You are doing awesome, kids. Let's keep exploring and having fun.
Whoa! Look at this sweet place. The letter C is hiding here. Can you find a word starting with C?
Cat, candy, chocolate. C is for all the sweet things.
Good job, Max. I am a cat, but let's stick to C is for candy. Kids, can you say it with us? Oh, yes. Say again, C for candy.
C for candy. C for candy. Perfect. You're all little geniuses. Let's move to the next magical letter.
Look! It's the letter D. And who's that? A baby dinosaur. Can you guess a word that starts with D?
Dinosaur. D is for dinosaur.
Let's roar like dinosaurs together. Kids, say it loud. D is for dinosaur. Say again, D for dinosaur. D for dinosaur. D for dinosaur.
Fantastic! You're learning so fast. I'm so proud of you.
Here we are, in the enchanted forest. Can you spot the letter E?
There it is! E is for elephant.
That's right. Kids, let's all pretend to be elephants and say it together. E is for elephant. Say again, E for elephant. E for elephant. E for elephant.
Great job, everyone! We found the letters A to E and learned their magical words. Let's say them together.
A
for apple. B for butterfly. C for candy. D for dinosaur. E for elephant.
Yay! Thanks for helping us, kids.
See you next time for more ABC fun. Mio. Bye.
Bye-bye, kids. Keep exploring and learning your ABCs.